Hi sir, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning sir. How are you doing?
Sir, here is Roshan. You can call him to Shiv Kumar. He is a English teacher.
Who is an English teacher?
Shiv Kumar. His name is Raja.
Oh,
Raja is a very good English teacher. And we are all
oh,
friends here. Mr. Avid, Shiv Kumar, me, and Roshan. We are all here talking with you.
actually,
So how is
that
going?
sounds great.
How is going your
Yeah,
studies?
Alhamdulillah.
What do you do for
Everything is
living?
fantastic.
What do you do for living?
Hi.
You can, if you feel comfortable, you can turn on camera.
Right now, I'm at my workplace and I am occupied with my works.
Okay, okay, no worry. So, new one, Dian. Hello, Dian. Where are you now, ma'am Roshi? Hello, Roshi.
Yeah, actually I'm from Bangladesh and now the city of I may know that.
Now I'm asking, where are you now exactly? Like from your background, so many noise coming. Are you in market?
Oh, no. I'm not in the market, but I'm in the shop. Just coming on the route, and I just want your group links, and just press on it and join there. But I didn't prepare to conversate. Just press there and automatically join. So there's no option. So there's no option to decline to the group links, and just talking by sitting into on the route.
Great, great, great. No worry. No need to prepare yourself for talking with us because we are all same and there is no any examination or something. We just here talk each other and improving our communication skill.
Thank you. And it's also very good idea to make it like an awesome conversation to improve the skills of English.
Yeah, exactly. So,
Actually, if you don't if you don't mind, may I know about yourself, please?
yeah, yeah, sure, for sure. I am from Bangladesh. My name is Shafiq. I do work as an office assistant and I'm learning English every day. If I get free time, I try to talk with foreign people. Yeah, studying English.
Oh, you are also from Bangladesh. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too, you too.
So, where do you live right now? In Bangladesh?
Right now I live in Dubai. I'm not in my country.
Sorry, I didn't catch.
Right now I live in Dubai, not in Bangladesh.
Oh, you are living in Dubai right now, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a great idea. Congratulations for being in Dubai.
Sorry, come again.
I mean, congratulations to you for being in Dubai.
Oh yeah, yeah. Thank you. So let's start our some topic. If we have information, we can share each other. That could be better. So our topic is injustice. What is the biggest injustice in the world today? Do you think? So this is the topic for everyone. Muhammad Raja Dian, and yeah,
Sorry, sorry, I didn't hear the topic's name.
can I hear you here?
Okay, that will be better.
You can unmute your microphone. Actually,
Yes.
uh, can you mute your microphone when you speak with us? Then you can unmute. Yeah, sometimes it
Actually,
happens.
now I am on the road, but I don't. I am not at my home because my laptop is there, and maybe if you don't mind, may I go to home? I have to go to home at first, and I have to join through my laptop, and maybe I will join there. May I join after? May I join with you after 15 minutes? 15 minutes?
After 15 minutes?
After 15 minutes, I need 15 minutes to go to reach my home, and then
No, it is limited. It is for maybe 45 minutes. So 45 minutes after. Okay, I will give you a link. You can join there. So maybe you will get 3 time, 4 time recording session for talking foreign language. See, you can join there. Use the chat
oh,
box. Okay, I gave you the chat box. You can see.
where in my WhatsApp?
No, no, no. In the Zoom chat box.
Oh, let's see.
Uh, okay, Mr. Raja. Hello, Mr. Raja. Are you hello, Mr. Raja? Okay, okay. So we have also Dian. Hello, Dian.
Yeah, 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 I can hear you.
Yes, that's great. So how are you doing today?
Great, how are you doing?
Oh, yeah, I'm doing great. So could you introduce yourself a little bit, like shortly, so 2, 3 sentence like that?
Okay, I know, like, I need to introduce myself briefly, right? I'm Dion, I'm from Indonesia, and I think it's quite brief, right?
Yeah, exactly. You are right. So I think it could be better this topic for us. What is the biggest injustice in the world today? Do you think? Uh,
And,
total, yeah.
there are a lot of injustices. I mean, like, this is the word. So we cannot ask everybody can be fair, can be straight to the justice. I think we cannot do that. But I think the biggest injustice, if you ask me, I think it is happening in Palestine. Yeah, because it's been a limelight for over a year, right? Yeah, it's been a limelight. It's been the spotlight of the world. What is happening there in Palestine? So yeah, that's my answer. I think.
Actually, I couldn't get you. Could you repeat that, please?
Okay. You asked me what is the biggest injustice in the world today. I said that there are a lot of things that we can talk about. I mean, like injustice is everywhere, not only in the world. We can also find it in Indonesia. There are a lot of things like that. But if you ask me, because you asked the biggest injustice in the world, I think the war that is happening, not